Installation and operation of 3-inch closed chamber glue machine. Connect the vacuum pump air pipe. Tighten the screws. Tighten with a wrench. Connect the other end. Tighten the screws. Tighten with a wrench. Connect the vacuum pump power cord. Align the white dot with the white dot and press it in. Tighten the nut. Connect the device power cord. Open the cavity cover. Unscrew the screws. Choose the right suction cup according to the size of the sample. Align the suction cup with the notch. Tighten the screws. Power on the device. Click to set the speed. For example, standby. Click Settings to return. Place the sample. Click to turn on the vacuum pump. Check to make sure the sample is firmly attached. Click to start running. Then inject the colloid. It will stop automatically when the time is up. Remove the sample. Close the cavity cover. Turn off the power. The experiment is completed.